Hi, Judy here from Viprealty. If you're looking for the perfect escape of peace and tranquility, welcome to 17 Tombleson Road, Lake Rotoehu, where you've got fishing all year round and it's a freehold lakeside property. You cannot be stressed living in a place like this. It's got its own massive private bushclad sanctuary at the back, and it comes fully furnished, so you can just move in and relax. We've scanned the whole property, so you can take a virtual open home tour right now at viprealty.co.nz. Click on the Matterport link and use the circles on the floor to click on and move through the property. The cute little shed at the back has been lovingly converted into 2 rooms with a sun-drenched deck overlooking the tranquility of this garden. It's just a short stroll down to the boat ramp and the beautiful lakeside reserve. Look closely and you can see the trout rising. Rotoehu is famous for all year round fishing and is only 30 minutes from the adventure playground of Rotoehu. It has beautiful soda springs where you can soak the stresses of life away, and it's only 5 minutes to the crystal clear waters of Lake Rotoma, where you can hunt the mighty tiger trout, fill up on gas, pick up supplies or alcohol, and sit back and have a fabulous coffee at the Brown Trout Cafe. And there's an iconic walk to the Tarawera Falls. Only 30 minutes drive and you're at the Pacific Ocean, where you can take a stroll down Matata Beach and barely see a soul. So why not give me a call on 027 3322 711 and make an appointment to see it.